It's fall and it's harvest season. It's pumpkin time. I'm out here with Stacy. We're out at Prairie Gardens and the pumpkin patch is open.
It is. We have all sorts of activities for you to do. Even our mazes are open. We have a corn maze, sunflower maze, a rope maze this year. And then we also have our obstacle course, ninja, hand pump duck races, the pumpkin patch, lots and lots of pumpkins to choose from, tractor wagon rides that'll take you out to the mazes and back around so you can drop off your pumpkins. We also have tire swings, oh, so much more.
And the farm animals.
Oh yes, can't forget the farm animals and the pig barrel train rides. There's just so much to do.
Which is great, but so if people are wanting to come out and enjoy all these activities, what's your protocols right now?
Right now, we're asking people to book ahead online so that we can kind of keep our crowds down. They can go to our website, they get a 2-hour time for fun and do all the activities, and then they can head on into the farm store and enjoy lots of good stuff up there.
Yeah, because you have your food on the weekends and
yes,
the beer and the cider.
Yeah, we have our Farmer's Fry open and our farm bar so they can enjoy a beer or a cider. They can have lots of baked goods out of our bakery and all sorts of goodies that you can even think of up there.
Right, and you guys are open, you said 6 days a week now?
Yep, 6 days a week. Monday's the only day we're closed, so Tuesday through Sunday. We do have the activities running on the weekdays as well as the weekends, so if you want to skip a rainy day, you can book a time during the week and come after you finish the kids doing school and come have a lot of fun. We do have a limited food menu on the week, but we always have those baked goods going, those apple cider donuts, fresh produce, all sorts of goodies.
And so the best place if you're wanting to come out is to go to your website.
Yep.
And then they can book their 2-hour time period.
Yeah. And that 2 hours just is for our activities. They can come in and enjoy the farm bar and have a drink on the patio after that, or have a corn dog, or whatever they're feeling like they want to do. Shop for plants, of course, because this is garden time. But yeah, there's lots and lots of stuff to do aside from that 2 hours.
Because I know with all the activities that have been canceled, we're all trying to find things to do as a family and to get out. With our kids,
we felt like we've all lost so much, we just couldn't take this away from everybody.
Right. So for more information, come on out to Prairie Gardens. You can go to their website. Make sure you book your tickets, or you can go to gardentime.tv and we'll click you on over. So Stacy, looking forward to the pumpkin patch. So
thanks for coming out.